This is the Australian National University Library. And this video is all about unpacking in-text citations. There are thousands of different citation styles, but for the most part they fall into two categories, in-text and footnoted. This video will show you how to decipher in-text citations. These always appear framed in brackets in the middle of the text. At the Australian National University, each division and faculty has its own stated citation style preference. Check with your lecturer or supervisor if you're at all unsure. Whether Harvard AGPS 6, APA 7th, MLA, or one of the thousands of other referencing styles in existence, in-text citations can take a bit of time to wrap your head around. When you see an in-text reference, it will look something like this. Shown here in APA style, the first part is the surname of the author or authors, followed by the year of publication and the page number. This will look slightly different depending on the in-text style, but not radically. This is Harvard AGPS 6. This is MLA. And this is Chicago author date. It's not possible to distinguish between a book and a journal article in most in-text citation styles, but they most definitely look different in the reference list. Scroll to the end of an article or book chapter and use this information to find the full citation in the bibliography. In this case, this citation is for the 2020 journal article Celebrity Status and the Attribution of Value from the European Journal of Cultural Studies. The authors are presented first, followed by the date here. The title is in quotation marks, followed by the journal the article appeared in. After this, we find the volume number, issue number, and page range. Using this, you can search for the item on the library website and find the exact page this citation is referring to. Note that each referencing style may present this information in a slightly different order. Let's look up another in-text citation in the reference list. I'm thinking Lupton 2019. We can see it looks different to the journal article shown before. In this APA reference list example, the author still comes first, followed by the date. The title is next. Note that it is not in quotations because it is the book title, not a journal article or chapter title. Next is the publisher information. In this case, it's an ebook. But if you're extra fancy and have the physical copy, it would look like this. Notice at the end, because it's a physical book, the publisher and its office location are also listed. So, when you come across an in-text citation, look for these key features to help you find it in the reference list. The surname of the author or authors, the year of publication, the book or journal title, and the page number. Once you locate the full citation in the bibliography, you can look up the article yourself on the ANU Library website by searching for a segment of the article title in quotation marks, the author or authors, or a combination of the title and author. Curious about footnoting? Check out our video, Unpacking Footnoted Citations. If you're still in doubt, it's always best to check with your lecturer or supervisor. And don't forget, the ANU Library is here to help. We have an amazing collection of online materials and loads of guides available to support you. Just click the subscribe button so you never miss a video. Having trouble or need some specific assistance? If in doubt, just reach out. You can always contact the ANU Library for support. We're here to help.